Hello, 11th graders. We are going to finish the second part of the book this week, so let's take a look at today. So what you're going to do today after you've watched this video is you are going to read and listen to chapter 5. Today's reading is in two audios because part of it last year was homework and part of it was in class. But regardless, listen to the beginning first and then listen to the second part and take the quiz. But otherwise, for the week, oops, let's go back one, sorry. You are also then going to take the quiz and then add to this summative preparation document if you have any quotes. On Wednesday, you're going to be, again, after you watch my little video, listen to the second part of the chapter and then take a quick quiz. This is why I'm telling you about Wednesday on Tuesday. You are going to make a Flipgrid video on Wednesday about one of the quotes from Wes Moore that you have chosen on your issue, and other people are going to be responding to you whether or not you are talking about the same issue. So if you haven't done your summative preparation document at all, you are going to want to start to pull quotes, partially because we are halfway through the book and you should be pulling quotes, but also because you want to be sharing with this Flipgrid on Wednesday. On Thursday, we will have our WebEx. It won't be very long. We'll basically be talking about what I'm seeing in the quotes, and then you're going to be working on chapter 6, the first part of chapter 6, and then Friday, second part of chapter 6, and then there will be a online discussion, like a typed discussion in Schoology. So that's our week. Today is the first part of chapter 5.